Today I am reviewing my stay here at the Alohilani Resort in Waikiki Beach. My husband and I are here for work and also a little bit of vacation. We are staying here for a week, so we checked in on Thursday and we're checking out next Thursday. Today is Sunday, so now that I've been here for a few days, I thought it would be a good time to go ahead and give you a tour of the room and some of the amenities on the resort. So when we booked this room, we went directly to the site. Initially when we're looking at stays in Hawaii, there's just like so many options, but the one that stood out to us most was this one because they had a great package deal directly on their website. And the package deal that we got, it's called the Amplify Your Aloha. And with this package, you get complimentary valet parking. So we did rent a car. So this was fantastic for us that we didn't have to pay for parking. The resort amenity fee is included. You also get 2 tickets to the Honolulu Museum of Art, Hawaiian cultural classes, wellness classes, gym, tennis courts, and you also get, for each night of your stay, you get 3 daily credits to the Beach Candy Waikiki, and you can rent their surfboards, paddleboards, beach chairs, umbrellas, and beach toys, and you get 3 credits daily. And you can also get surf lessons. There is a fee for that, but at a discount. But all the other stuff will be basically free. So with this package, you have to book a certain room. So we booked the Diamond Head Ocean View, and there wasn't a king size bed, so we got 2 queen beds. And I will say this view is fantastic. Another great thing about this package is you get access to the longboard room. And this is a really great package if you want to save on breakfast and also night dining and drinks. I'm actually impressed how much they give you in the longboard room. So for breakfast, you get daily breakfast, and they have so much stuff. The eggs are fantastic. It's not like the watered down eggs. It's fresh. They have meats, cereal. They even have acai bowls that you can make with a lot of toppings. I mean, fresh fruits daily, and it doesn't look like dried old fruit. Like the fruit is always juicy and sweet. Of course, coffee and tea. They just give you so much for breakfast. It's not your average like continental breakfast. It is way better than a lot of breakfasts I've paid for in hotels. Like I have enjoyed so far for 3 days. I've enjoyed everything. Also, you can get a lot of like soft drinks or tea like udon-cha. There's just like a lot of options here for breakfast. So if you're someone, or if you're here with family and you don't want to go out and eat every morning, I highly recommend looking into it because you do get a lot. So that's breakfast, and that starts, I believe, from 6 to 10 a.m. And then at night, their evening, it starts from 4 to 8. And basically, they give you like a lot of like charcuterie type stuff, like cheese, olives, crackers. But on top of that, every night, they actually have a pasta station where the chef can make you a variety of pasta. If you don't want to eat out, that's actually plenty. It was plenty for us to just have some pasta. But the great thing is you can get drinks. And so the wine and beer, beer's on tap. I believe it's like their local beer, and the wine, I've had red wine so far, and because I'm not a big fan of white wine, the red wine has been great, and the service is fantastic. They come to your table all the time, refill your drinks. I'm really impressed with the longboard club because they give you a lot. And like I said, like especially when you include alcohol, if you're gonna stay here, I highly recommend looking into the longboard club access. All right, so let me give you a tour of the room. So here is the room, and these are the 2 queen beds. They're very comfortable. The only thing is, I will say that the comforter is super thin, and it's been hard adjusting the temperature in here, like even for my husband, which he's, usually is fine sleeping with it really cold, and I'm not. But even if we turn on the AC and it's really cold, it's too cold for him because the comforter is so thin. So that's the only thing. We wish like the comforter was a little bit thicker, but the pillows are nice. There's 2 different options. There's firm and soft. So we've got plenty of pillow options here. In between our beds is the little table. We have been putting stuff in here because everything doesn't fit up here. We are charging our devices. So we both have, an outlet here, and then also 2 USB outlets here, which actually they don't work very well. Like some of my cords don't work in this USB outlet and some of them do. I don't know why. I don't know if there's something wrong with this or my cords, but anyway, so there's plenty, of there's plenty for both of us to charge our stuff. There is a night light, and there is also individual reading night lights. Over here is a little lounge area where, you can, this is where I've been using to do my makeup every morning because I like to do my makeup in front of the natural light. And there is an ice bucket here. There is a trash can there. There is a coffee station. When we initially checked in, they only had coffee pods here, but I actually like tea. So I had to call room service, which it does say like if you want tea, just call room service. So I did, and they brought chamomile tea and also green tea for me. There's plenty of cups. They also provided 2 bottles of water. There's plenty of drawers, so we have been using all these drawers because we are here for a week. So we like to take things out of our suitcases. There is a small fridge here, and we have been storing our drinks in here. The TV console table is nice and big. We have been placing our stuff up there. The hallway area is really big and roomy. I like that. Have a large floor length mirror right here. And there is a closet, which we have been using. Mostly my stuff, my clothes. There is a safe, a digital safe. I don't use the digital safe, but it's there. And there is an ironing board. And there's like space up there, which I've been putting my hats. And the bathroom. So the only thing about this room is that the bathroom is pretty small. The water pressure in the shower is great. They give shampoo, conditioner, and hand wash. It's a very sweet smell. It smells like pineapple. I feel like everything in Hawaii smells sweet. Plenty of towels. Now there aren't a whole lot of hooks. Like really, there's like no hooks anywhere, and there's not enough space to really hang it here because then the towel will touch the toilet. So we've been using these hangers, and then the vanity sink is pretty spacious. There is room down there, and that's where all of our towels were. This is a bag here for toilet paper. And then there's actually like a hot pot, which I thought was interesting that they put it below the sink here, and a blow dryer. And the sink area, I do like this little space up here where I can put all my little toiletries because this sink really leaks water a lot. They do give tissue and then hand wash and lotion. I do like that it's liquid hand wash. I don't like the bars of soap. The only thing is they don't give you any other little amenities. So like there's no Q-tips, there's no cotton balls, just like those little things. They don't have any of that. I did call the front desk and ask them for Q-tips and cotton balls. So they do have it upon request. So they brought this up when I asked for Q-tips, and they only give you 2 though. So I had to call like a couple times already because I use Q-tips every night and also when I'm applying makeup. But that's the only thing where I'm like, I wish they would have provided more amenities, but not a deal breaker. But yeah, so if you need other amenities, you're gonna have to call and ask the front desk for it. And this is like a little area here where we hang up the towels and my little toiletry bag. And the best part about this room is the amazing view. It is so gorgeous out here. Every morning, I love opening up the drapes and looking at this view. It's so beautiful. I love this view so much. So that's the Diamond Head right there. And that's our partial ocean view of Waikiki Beach. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the tour of the room. When we got here, since we drove and we rented a car, we drove from Honolulu, or I don't know if it's called Honolulu Airport, yeah. It was about a 30-minute drive here to the hotel, and the valet service was quick. They were very responsive. We checked in, that was pretty quick. Although the check-in process, I will say I was a little bit disappointed because when the lady was checking us in at the front desk, she was fast, but then she didn't even look at our reservation, and if we didn't tell her that we had gotten the package, she wouldn't have given us our longboard key, club key, and also the valet parking that's free. We weren't going to get any of what we had paid for had we not mentioned it, so that was a little bit disappointing. So yeah, the check-in was a little bit like not what I expected, since we had to tell them the room that we booked and the package that we purchased. And the amenities on site are really great. I love the pool area, the pool lounge area. It's really beautiful. The only thing is they do have like these lounge chairs in the water. They have the pool that over. You can kind of get a partial ocean view, and the pool is really pretty. But you have to like rent those lounge chairs, which I thought was I was like, okay, well, I thought it would come with the stay, but you have to rent them. And when I looked online, it was $120 for 2 lounge chairs, and I guess you can't just get one. So that was a little bit disappointing. I haven't been to the gym. The gym, when I looked at pictures, it looked really nice and big. The tennis courts here, I was surprised they have a tennis court, but if you want to play tennis, you can do that. The downstairs, the lounge is beautiful. There's like an indoor aquarium. There's just so much to see and do in the area. Several restaurants. The one thing that I really have enjoyed so far is I love green tea, and so there's a matcha green tea ice soft serve ice cream about a 10-minute walk from here. So good. You have to go there if you're a fan of green tea ice cream. Everything is easily accessible. You won't run out of places to eat. There's plenty to do. It's a fantastic location. I hope you liked this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.